In this video, I am going to show you how to make a game like this without writing a single line of code. You just have to copy and paste the code. So let's start. Open your browser. Type in the search box chatGPT and open the website by clicking here. Here type a message, create a 2D full function brick breaker game that uses a moving ball using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and send this message. Now ChatGPT write the code for you. Just wait a few seconds. After ChatGPT finishes coding, open another tab and search here CodePen and open the website codepen.io by clicking here. Now click on Start Coding. You will see here three windows, one for HTML, one for CSS and the third for JavaScript. Now go back to ChatGPT and first of all copy the code that is for HTML. This code, the last one, is for JavaScript and the second is for CSS. This is the first one, that is for HTML. Copy code from here and go to website pen code and paste it here. Go back to ChatGPT again. Now copy the code that is for CSS. Copy this and paste it to this window of CSS. Here you can see the display of game. If you can't see the ball and pedal, just scroll it up so that you can see the ball and pedal. Even now you can't see the ball and pedal. It is because the height of the game canvas is bigger than the screen. Go to code that is for CSS. You can see here height, that is 600 pixels. Decrease it to 500 pixels so that you can see ball and the pedal. This is 600, remove 6 and type here 5. Now the height of canvas is 500 pixels and now you can see the ball and pedal. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the code that is for JavaScript. Here it is. This code is for JavaScript. Copy code from here and paste it to the third window that is for JavaScript, JS. After pasting this code, the game should work. You can move the pedal by mouse movement, right and left. Right, you can play here. If the ball goes down, then the game will be over. You just have to stop the ball from going down. So that's it for now. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe the channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.